Is your facility in need of a fast-acting yet odorless spray for premium disinfecting? Now offering Quick Defense Peroxide RTU Disinfectant, a safe-to-handle and bleach-free solution ready to disinfect your facility. Combined with a no-odor formulation, this peroxide-based disinfectant can also be used as a sanitizer, deodorizer, and help protect your facility against mold and mildew growth. Keep your facility healthy by eliminating pathogenic bacteria and microorganisms that thrive in industrial, institutional, and commercial environments. According to OSHA, this ready-to-use disinfectant is considered non-hazardous, making it safer for your employees to handle compared to common yet harmful bleaches. When applied, Quick Defense Peroxide RTU Disinfectant begins working instantly and will quickly treat your hard, non-porous surfaces in 3 minutes. Try using this multi-purpose solution on materials such as kitchen appliances and counters, bathroom fixtures, cabinets, floors, walls, machinery, hospital equipment, and more. Simply spray Quick Defense Peroxide RTU 6 to 8 inches from surfaces until thoroughly saturated. Leave on for 3 minutes and wipe clean or air dry. You'll breeze through your cleaning and disinfection routine when you implement this easy-to-use spray into your plan. Quick Defense Peroxide RTU Disinfectant, another great product from State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.